Hey everyone, Brandon with Flyin Miata, and it is that time of year, or more specifically, it's time to plan for that time of year. Summer Camp 2025 is not that far away, and we are opening up registration on March 12th, so get ready, especially if you want track time, because that sells out really quickly, especially Friday track time. So we have 3 track days this year. You can sign up for as many as you want. It's going to be at the same go-kart track that we've always done it at. A super, super good time, and also great for beginners. Now, summer camp is June 11th through 15th. Book your vacation time now. Do not hesitate. And as always, we're going to have some awesome drives around gorgeous Western Colorado. We're going to have tech seminars. We're going to have a barbecue dinner. We're going to have a car show, the track day that I mentioned, and this year is going to be a big one. So go to our website for more information and to register for summer camp. Also keep an eye on social media for any updates. Now, if you have any questions, reach out to customer support, and remember, if you're using sick days, don't tell your boss. We'll see you there.